Hi there, in this video you will learn about how to bulk delete recovery phones and emails in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Outdated recovery emails and phone numbers in Google Workspace are hidden security risks. An ex-employee's email could let hackers reset passwords or access sensitive data. Manually removing them is time-consuming and error-prone. Just one missed account can leave your entire system vulnerable. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. This platform lets you bulk delete users' recovery info like phone numbers and emails in just a few clicks. With an intuitive interface and customizable templates, you save time, reduce errors, and stay compliant effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Click the Bulk Delete User Recovery Phones and Emails template. In the Bulk Delete User Recovery Phones and Emails page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Delete User Recovery Phones and Emails will display. Click Next. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how the xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk deletion of users' recovery phone numbers and emails in Google Workspace. Go to the Templates page. Click the Bulk Delete User Recovery Phones and Emails template. In the Bulk Delete User Recovery Phones and Emails page, click Download Sample CSV file to save the sample CSV to your system. Edit the sample CSV file. In the User Primary Email column, replace the example email addresses with the primary emails of users whose recovery phone numbers and emails need to be deleted. Go to the Rules page. Click the Upload button for the Bulk Delete User Recovery Phones and Emails rule. Then, select the prepared CSV file to start the automation. After each row is processed, you'll receive a notification in the top right corner. Click View Log in the notification message to check the details. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. In the Action History, we can see that the recovery email and phone are deleted for the user. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.